Hey folks, it's Vic here, and I'm going to add another video into the weekly trade example here. This is on the Euro US, which has had a pretty big drop off here. Trichet is speaking right now, and here's a case, where sometimes, like I've marked off these S for support levels here, down in here, and you see why I have, because they used to be support, and here was support. This is where you have to be a little more careful because we're now into a news-driven event here. In fact, Trichet is speaking right now. So, do you want to be buying as he's saying things? So that's why no. And the answer is no, you don't. You want to be a little bit cautious here. That's why I'm on a trade like this. I'll use the Noble entry technique rather than just trying to get in here because. So I just wanted to point out that just because you're at there's the U.S. dollar index rallying now. See that I have this note in here. That's an important level that's being touched on that. So you could start to see this settle out in here now because the US dollar index is at resistance. But I just want to point out that sometimes there's situations just because we're at a support or resistance level that you don't necessarily want to be buying or selling, whichever the case may be. So this is like I go over this kind of stuff. I'd say pretty much every single Coach's Corner we talk about this, but because it's very important. Like it's one thing to have rules about trading, but you have to know when to apply them and when to filter them as well, because otherwise if you're just buying just because you're at support or resistance with no other, you're not considering the surrounding environment, you're putting yourself into some danger. So I wanted to just point that out, and I hope that little bit of tidbit of information helps you. Okay, have a great weekend. Thanks.